Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox the full set of the Monsters collaboration with One Piece. And if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed a couple of figures from this lineup. And this is very timely because the live action of the One Piece will be released very soon. So I'm so excited to complete this set and to find or hunt the secret because just for an information, I bought a lot of sets from this series, but unfortunately, we didn't get the secrets. It's like 8 sets of this series. I just hope that this will be a lucky box for me. So let's see, and I'm so excited to unbox this one. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin with the unboxing, let me show you the mother box of the series The Monsters collaboration with One Piece. I really like the illustration of this one because you can see that the monster is the one in the illustration with the grand line of the One Piece. And here's the lineup. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed like 9 figures of this already. So we are missing like 3 figures, which is Roronoa Zoro. We're still looking for Brook and Sanji. So we're going to unbox the boxes, the single boxes at the bottom part because if this will be a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil. So the figures that I have are ready now on my side. So I'm just going to show you the art card and the figures. So let's see guys, and let's start with unboxing. Let me show you the single boxes that we have here. So this is the first box. And as I've said, this is the final lineup. They have 12 confirmed figures and 1 secret. We are doing the secret hunting of this one because unfortunately, for how many sets that we had, we never got the secret. So I'm hoping that this last set will be our lucky box. So let's see guys, and let's start unboxing this one at the bottom part. So I just hope that we'll get the first or the one that we are missing in the lineup. So this is the foil, and this is our first. Oh, how lucky that we got the Zoro as a first figure because I'm missing this figure. So I'm going to tear the foil now and show you how beautiful the actual figure of Zoro. One, two, three. Yes, that's why this figure is one of the chase from this lineup because if you can see how good the details of the figure, even the green hair of Zoro here is so cool and great, and the ears of the monster here have some the ear piercing of Zoro, and some of the swords of Zoro here. This one is so cute and cool. So let me put all together the inclusions. The only have the only inclusions that we have here is the Bitcoin or the golden coin. So Zoro will be just sitting here. There is nothing that you have to insert so that Zoro will be stable while he's sitting. So you just have to put Zoro on the top of the gold coin. So this is our first figure, guys. Definitely one of the best from this lineup. Let me know your thoughts about Zoro the monster. Let's proceed with the second box. This one is quite heavy. So I'm expecting to get it's either Tony Chopper or Frankie because these two are the figures that are heavy among the others. So let's open this one now and reveal our second figure. Ah, okay. One, two, three. Told you this is Tony Chopper. So this one is a duplicate. I'm going to bring back the foil inside of the box and set aside this one. And let me show you Tony Chopper as Labubu the monster. Actually, this is one of my favorites from this lineup. Definitely the best one. because if you can see how beautiful the colors and how intricate the details of Tony Tony Chopper here, definitely cute, definitely one of the best. So, what can you say about Tony Tony Chopper of the Monster? Please comment down below. Our third box now, and let's proceed with the unboxing. This one is very light figure. So, if I'm going to assess the weight of this box, uh, during my unboxing in my previous vlog, definitely this one might be Nico Robin or Monkey D. Luffy. So let's see, or the secret. I don't know if the secret is heavy or not. So let me show you the art card first. Where's the art card? One, two, three. I told you this is Robin. I'm so good with the weighing of the box so that I can see and check which is the figure inside. So we have Nico Robin already. So let me show you the figure of Nico Robin. So this is Nico Robin. It's like she's dancing with the Hawaiian clothes. Very cool, very pretty one. Look, the back details of the hair, very detailed. The blue top and the Hawaiian skirt with the palm trees or palm leaves on the side as a design. So what I like about this one is the sunnies that she's wearing, very cute, very realistic. So this is Nico Robin, guys. What can you say about this figure? Let me know your thoughts down below. Our fourth box now. So definitely we are very fast when it comes to unboxing because then again we are just missing three figures, but we got already the first one that we are looking for. So we are looking for Brooke and Sanji as my missing figures from this lineup. So let me unbox now this one. So definitely this vlog will be very short compared to my other vlogs. So our fourth figure is Monkey D. Luffy. We have this one already. So let me show you the figure. So this is Monkey D. Luffy, one of my favorites. I really like this one. It really looks like Monkey D. Luffy incorporated with the monster. I like the stitches on the face and even the scars on the chest of Monkey D. Luffy here. The straw hat at the back, very detailed hair. I like the outfit here. I like the color combination. Very Monkey D. Luffy. So one of the chase from this lineup. So definitely you will like this one too. So what is your thought about Monkey D. Luffy as monster? Let's proceed now with our fit box. This is very quick because yeah, then again, this is a secret hunting and completing the series. So let me get the art card first. One, two, three. And we have Usopp already. Let me show you. Yeah, this one is a duplicate. This one, Usopp is one of my favorites from this series because the details, all the accessories that Usopp wearing here, very nice one. The purse, the red purse, the slingshot, the headphone, the hat, very nice one. Actually, one of the best figure, one of the very intricate details from this lineup. So definitely you will love Usopp as well. So let me know your comments down below. So we are almost halfway through because this will be our sixth figure. So let me unbox now this one so that uh, we will be very quick and fast with this unboxing. I don't like to bore you guys because we are just doing a secret hunting. And let's see. Our sixth figure is Frankie. Actually, I like Frankie as well because if you can see, Frankie has these hands that you can move like this. And then again, I really like the color of Frankie here. It really pops up the color. Very nice one, and even the details of this one are so very meticulous when it comes to detailing of the figure, the armors, and everything, the black shades. It's very cool figure, guys. You will definitely like Frankie as well as the monster. Very badass figure. So, what is your thought about Frankie, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, we are halfway through. So let me do a recap first. We got the first six, which is the Monkey D. Luffy, Frankie, Nico Robin, Roronoa Zoro, and Usopp, and Tony Chopper. So we are missing Brook, Trafalgar Law, Sanji, Jinbe, Nami, and Sabo. So let's see our seventh figure now. Please give me the secret. You know that it's so hard, very, very the secret of this series is very aloof to me. We can't find him, I don't know why. So our seventh figure, one, two, three, where's the art card? Oh, we have Nami, and I have this already. Let me show you. So this is Nami as a monster with orange hair, with this rod, some stars as a translucent material. So Nami here is so sexy and beautiful. I like that the ears of Labubu is popping out of the hair. It's a brown hair. I like the outfit. It's very summer vibe. Very Nami actually. So yeah, what is your thought about Nami, guys, as the monster? Please comment down below. Our 8 box, and let's see our 8 figure. This one's quite heavy. So let's see. This will be the monster or the secret. Our 8 figure. Oh, we got Brook. I don't have this one yet. So let's see and unbox this one. This is the stand. Brook is quite heavy. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, it's a nice one. I really like the figure, very detailed. I like the golden crown on the hat of Brook here. I'm not sure if this is removable or not. I like the fishbone electric guitar that he's using. Very mariacas vibe, very Mexican. It's so cool. It's like the monster here has this curly black hair and very rock and roll vibe. Let me put the stand. I actually like this one as well. Surprisingly, all of the figures of this series are very cool. That's why I decided to complete them all because I really like the details and how they incorporate the One Piece characters from Labubu. So definitely this is one of the best as well. So let me know your thoughts about Brook as the monster. Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our ninth box. And we're still not getting the secret. And we got already the 2 figures that we are missing. So I'm just looking for. I'm not sure if that's Sanji we are missing. Yeah, I'm still missing Sanji from my collection. So let's see the foil. Oops! And we got Sabo. I have Sabo already. Let me put back Sabo in the box. So this is Sabo, guys. Yep. I guess this is like a burn. Before, I'm not sure if in my previous vlog I said it's a birthmark, but then again, I just realized this is the burnt skin of Sabo in the eyes. And he's wearing this tuxedo, black tuxedo, and with this hat, very hat. He's so formal here, like a very gentleman. So cute. So let's see, guys, if you like this figure as well. Sabo as the monster. Let me know your thoughts. our 10th box, and we're still not getting the secret and Sanji to complete my set. So let's see our 10th figure. How sad. Why it's so hard to get the secret here? Are they really releasing a secret from this set? Because I'm not getting. Because as far as I remember, we got already like almost 10 sets from this lineup or from this series. So our 10th figure, we got Trafalgar Law, and I have this one already. Yeah, this one is Trafalgar Law. Very cool figure. I guess this is what we have now. I like the beret, the white beret with some details of the spots of, I'm not sure if this is animal print, and there's some piercing on the ears with this wide sword like samurai. This one is actually cute. Actually, this I have to fix the sword of sub law here. This how it is should be. So this one is one of the cutest guys. So what can you say about Trafalgar Law as the monster? Please comment down below. We have these last two boxes and let me unbox the first one, and we're still missing Sanji and which one? Jinbe. I believe Jinbe is quite heavy, so definitely this is Jinbe. So let's see guys, our 11th figure. Where is the secret? So 1, 2, 3, where's the art card? 1, 2, 3. Oops, where is it? We got Jinbe. I told you. I know now. When it comes to weighing the figure, I guess Jinbe is one of the unique figure from this lineup. Very Japanese vibe. Like he's wearing this Japanese robe, and he's the only blue Labubu here with some curly hair. Very Japanese character because of the hair as well, and this outfit very Japanese, and even the sandals of Jinbe here is a Japanese sandals. Yeah, definitely one of the unique figure from this lineup. So let me know your thoughts about Jinbe as the monster. So this is our final box, and what the heck that we are missing Sanji, and this is our final figure. So it's either Sanji or a secret. What do you think, guys? Let me take a pause. No, let's proceed now. So I just hope this one will be a secret. This will be my lucky day if we are able to get a secret instead of Sanji. But then again, we're gonna find Sanji to complete the set. So let's see. Our final figure from the Monster One Piece. Where's the art card? Here's the art card. 1, 2, 3. And we got Sanji. Unfortunately. But our set is complete now. And let's see Sanji now as our final figure. How sad. Where's the secret? Did they really put some secret in this series? And we got Sanji, a very cool guy. Actually, Sanji is not my favorite character from the One Piece. But let's see. If someone is a fan of Sanji, it looks like this one is like a flame on the foot of Sanji, but I don't know how to insert this one. Maybe like this. Oh, okay. So this is Sanji, guys. Not a fan of Sanji figure. But what is your thought about Sanji? Let me give you some rotation of the figure. so that you can see him like he's wearing this blue suit with some golden buttons. Yeah, our final figure, guys, Sanji. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, finally, I have the complete set of the Monster collaboration with One Piece. It's very timely because the season 2 of the live action of One Piece will be released very soon in Netflix. So I'm so happy to complete the set, but unfortunately, I didn't get the secret even though we unboxed already many of the sets of these figures, like almost 10 sets. I don't know how, or I don't know why. Maybe Pop Mart didn't put any secrets from this lineup. But then again, I'm so happy to complete the set. And my top favorites from this lineup are the one in the bottom part. And my least favorites are on the top part. But if you have other favorites rather than what I've chosen, you can comment down below. And if you had fun watching this vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!